the event for water evacuation.
These forces have the power to make and move mountains, they carve continents, awaken ecosystems, and give birth to new life. Before the real fun begins, please bear with me as we watch the mandatory pre-flight safety video. And on behalf of all of us at Eric's and Miller Flight Station, thank you.
Prepare to board the EOX4 quadcopter drone. When the doors open in front of you, please make your way to the loading area. Before taking your seats, throw all carry-on items in the compartment provided. Loose footwear is not allowed on this experience. Long hair or loose clothing that may extend below the seat must be tied or stowed. Guests who have a fear of heights or are prone to motion sickness should speak to an operator.
Oh, you're Sarah?
Oh, you're Sarah too?
Yeah. My hair is tied.
Fasten your seatbelt from left to right. For passengers that do not reach the room line on the seat back, place the buckle through the white loop located in the center of the seat. Then, fasten the seatbelt. When instructed, pull straight up on the red tab to ensure the seatbelt is buckled. Please keep the red tab visible so our operators can confirm the seatbelt is secure. Once the doors open, please make your way to the loading area. Thank you for watching this instructional and mandatory safety video.
I'm in the field today helping track a pod of belugas. Now, once you're clear for launch, the lights will go out as we transfer power from the facility to your craft. And the pilot will spark up the engines and do a final systems check, and then you'll be on your way. Now, remember, what awaits you today isn't just a flight path. It's a passage through a living system. Have a great expedition. Hope to see you out here in the field.
Auxiliary power activated. Welcome aboard rotor 9052. This is your captain speaking. Set vision deck to pilot position. Prepare for a blackout as we divert power to the EOX4 and fire up the engines. Okay, prop Alpha and Bravo engaged. Tower, we have information, Juliet, and are ready for departure heading 270. 10-4, prepare to spool up prop Charlie and Delta. All right, motor start complete. Set vision deck to launch position. Rotor 9052, you are clear for remote launch. Full power transfer achieved. Docking ring detached. We are clear for takeoff. vision deck to landing position. Expedition Control 9052 heading back to base, seeking permission to dock.
Roger that, 9052. Please stand by.
Standing by.
Rotor 9052. You are cleared to dock in Bay 1.
Copy that. We got the traffic in sight. We're on short final. Hey, I hope you all enjoyed your flight. Don't forget to check out the Wild Arctic Adventure Trail to see some animals up close. Okay, prepare for lights on. Welcome back to base. Thanks for riding along with me. Be sure to grab your belongings and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Miller Flight Station.